ꯁꯥꯔꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ.
Being the student of Nanda Singh Higher Secondary, we would like to thank our ma'am, Iron Mr. Rani Devi, for her well performance in her teaching method and being always regular in the class and providing us study materials, which our books were very difficult to carry. So as a sign of appreciation, we would like to give our ma'am Mr. Rani very big words of thank you to you, ma'am. And may God bless you and continue to do well in your teaching stuff. Thank you, ma'am. We hope that this book will really give us easier method in our future plan, as we are going to face many competitive exams in many fields such as medicals, engineering too. So I hope that these books will really help us. It is a very advantage for being a poor family to get such a books like this, because some people cannot afford to buy books, and we are very privileged because if we wanted to study also, since we don't have textbook, how can we study? So when we get free of course like this, we are very thankful to her. And so that really helped us and really inspired us. And we also wanted to do the same thing in the future plan to someone or student when we become someone greater.
For this